Hi, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in an open collaboration challenge hosted by my beautiful friend Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating, and it is co-hosted by Miss Cheryl at I Style My Style. So let's start with this dartboard. I spray painted it in white, and now I'm using this painter's tape to make a pattern of a checkered pattern in black and white, and it is actually a Mackenzie child inspired with this black and white pattern. So that's the reason why I'm using this painter's tape. But to be honest with you guys, it didn't work. So I just redid all the stuff, but I've just showed you on how I made my Mackenzie child piece. So I just did this, and then I have to do the other side, or the opposite side, to make it as a checkered, as you can see. So this is what I did. I mean, it's supposed to work, but unfortunately, for some reason, all the paint, when I pulled those painter's tape, all came out. So what I've done was I have to use a thinner to take all the paint, and I have to redo it again. But this is supposed to be the classic one, or the easiest one, but unfortunately it didn't work. But so this is how I did it. I spray painted it, and when I took it off, all the paint came out. So now I did another way. I just cut some cubes, and now is the this is very scary because the paint might come off again. So I just do it slowly. As you can see, guys, it is very now I understand why Mackenzie child is very expensive, because honestly this is one of the most challenging DIY that I've ever done. It is very challenging, to be honest, guys, but I did few pieces of this, and it took me quite some time, guys, to be honest, because what I did here is I just cut a square, and I just did it as you can see, and then I just spray painted in black, because I spray painted it first. No, actually I painted, not spray painted. I brush it with white first, and then I cut some cubes. As you can see, I've been removing the cubes or the square, and this is what happened now. So I'm glad it works, and this is the outcome, guys. It's really rewarding, though it's very time consuming and it's very challenging, but I'm so pleased that I made it. So now let's put all the things that we did, and I made also those cups and this teapot. I also made all those things, but I will make another video for how I made all this Mackenzie child inspired piece. So I made also a plate and a flower vase. I'm making a tea station, tea and coffee station with Mackenzie child inspired, and this is the outcome of my project. That was my plate that I made also. Those 2 cups with this teapot and the flower vase. That is from a coffee container or glass, my flower vase. I didn't buy any of this, guys, apart from my paint. As you can see, the plates are as the one that I've been using at home, and my flower vase is from the glass of a instant coffee. And those are the collections of tea, coffee, and that's it. So channel link for the host and co-host will be listed in my description box, so please go and visit them. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Bye!